Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Srishti and I'll tell you a little bit about myself. So over the years I've consumed a lot of YouTube content in a variety of different areas that I'm interested in, be it beauty, travel, fashion, lifestyle, personal finance, you name it, I have watched it. So I thought to myself that it might be a good idea to curate a list of my favorite creators in different areas. So here I am. And today I'll be talking about my favorite creators in the lifestyle space. So let's get started. So there are plenty of different lifestyle creators out there. But with lifestyle creators, I feel that for you to be able to like them and follow their content, you must be able to vibe with them or relate to them. So for you to be able to gauge in a good manner how you will be able to relate to a particular kind of creator, I'll be talking about the personas they exude on the internet. But before moving on further with the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification along with it so that you're notified each time I publish a new video. And let's get started. So first up on my list is none other than Shehrazad Shroff, my favorite. She is the OG YouTube content creator from India, and specifically the reason why I started watching YouTube. So back in like 2012, 2013, I came across some of her videos, and those were like one of the first 10 videos that she put out on the internet, and since then I've been hooked. If you're interested in watching lifestyle content, I'm sure you know about her already, and if you don't, then you must check her out. You are missing out on some crazy ass content. Her content is extremely genuine, and she does not shy away in sharing any kind of opinions that she has about anything that she's sharing on the internet. So that's a very good thing, and overall she tries to create a very positive space on her channel, and the kind of personality she has is a very vibrant personality, and that's what comes across in her channel as well. So what can you expect on her channel? So there's a series of monthly favorites in which she shares her favorites, ranging right from food and fashion to like television, like Netflix recommendations and music. Then there is a series called To Buy or Not To Buy, where she shares her mini reviews on products that she's bought and whether she suggests them for you or not. Then she has a mukbang series in which she interviews different creators in a mukbang format. And then there is a lot of random content as well, like vlogs, travel videos, a lot of fashion videos as well. So basically the plethora of lifestyle content. Why I watch her content is because I relate to her content very well, and also that her content is extremely natural. Like, she's made for the camera. You see, like, she's talking to you in person, it feels, when she's talking to the camera. She publishes videos every Monday and Friday, and if you get hooked to her channel like I have gotten hooked, you will wait for her content. So moving on, the next creator on my list is Mridul Sharma. She is a lifestyle creator in her early 20s who does videos on beauty, fashion, vlogs, travel, challenges, etc. Basically the entire gamut of lifestyle content. I really look up to her as a person because apart from having the crazy following she has on YouTube, which is around 3.7 lakh subscribers, she has a Instagram business and a clothing business as well. And apart from all the success that she's achieved at such a young age, she's a very grounded person, it seems. The personality she flexes on her channel is extremely grounded, and you would feel that she's just one of us, which is great. So one thing I specifically like about her content is that it is extremely creative. Like, even when she's doing a sponsored content, it's just seamlessly built into her like narrative. So even if you're like watching her sponsored videos, it's not like you're watching an ad. It's mostly very seamlessly built into her content that you still want to watch the video because the video has so much more to it than just that particular sponsored content feature. So what you can expect on her channel is a variety of fashion and beauty content. There are a bunch of haul videos, a lot of challenge videos, some vlogs, and if you're an interior enthusiast, then there are some bits of that as well. She is pretty regular with the content, so expect uploads multiple times a week. So the next creator on my list is this channel called Her Happy Face. This channel is run by a girl named Riddhi. But as the channel name suggests, what you can expect is a very sunny and vibrant personality. She does content like beauty, fashion, travel, and a lot of daily vlogs as well. Unlike other creators on the list, she's not a full-time YouTube creator. She has a full-time job apart from being a YouTube creator. Despite that, she's very active on her channel and you can expect videos every week. Her channel is like a peek into her life, and if you're somebody who like watching what people like yourself are doing to get better at each day, then you should just check out her channel. I especially like her daily vlogs a lot. It's like she's talking heart to you, to her viewers basically. She produces content every Thursday, but apart from Thursdays as well, she does a lot of bonus videos as well, so you can check out her channel. So the next creator on my list is Sana Grover. She's largely a fashion content creator, but I'd still include her as a lifestyle creator because apart from the fashion bit, she does a lot of other videos as well, like a lot on the fashion aspect in a lifestyle space. Then this is the channel for you. Like if you are somebody who wants to watch a lot of fashion content but still know the creator behind, like still know the person behind creating these videos for you, then this is the channel for you. She does a lot of realistic fashion content that can be easily replicated and is affordable fashion. The vibe of her channel is of an honest, humble, grounded person who just loves what she's doing, which is great. I personally love watching her day in my life and haul videos. So those were all the creators on my list today. But something I'll just like to add and mention here is like, whenever I talk about my favorite creators, they are in no particular order. I love watching them all, and this is not based on the number of subscribers they have, it's or the number of views they garner, but totally based on my liking and my preferences. Like I have creators in this list itself ranging from 25,000 subscribers right to up to 4 lakh subscribers. But that's not a criteria that I have when I choose creators to watch. So yeah. So if you enjoyed watching my video, do not forget to hit the like button, share the video with as many people as possible, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.